I've got a signal to go short on this Euro Australian dollar, and I'm going to have a target that is way down here. We're looking at a 5-to-1. The one thing that I do want to really address in this video is how I'm looking at the environment. When I zoom out a little bit, what I'm seeing is this section of the market. So let's zoom back in just to that section. I'm going to be trailing my stop loss, and what I'm seeing is the price can get from here to here, but it is going to chop back and forth. And if I use the dots on this 5-minute time frame, there is a very good chance that it is going to stop me out. And when I go back to here, we have that same kind of distance that we want the market to make. And if I use the dots on this time frame, hoping that I'm going to trail a stop all the way to the target, knowing that the market does chop back and forth a little bit, there is a good chance I'm going to get stopped out before we hit the target. Now, the way around this is to look at the next higher time frame. I go back to this section of the market and I switch to the 15-minute time frame. I can see that using the dots on this, I will survive the chop that the market is currently providing to us. So as this trade progresses, I am going to switch to the 15-minute time frame, or in this case, just the higher time frame, and I'm going to manage the trade using the dots from that higher time frame. So we'll go back to that 5-minute. The trade is already underway, and when I get the first opportunity to position my stop loss to reduce the risk, then I'm going to switch up to that 15-minute time frame. These candles are telling us that we can start to manage the trade. So I'm going to move to that next higher time frame, and I'm going to look at trade management from this time frame. This is where I get to start moving my stop loss. I've reduced the risk on this trade now, and as this trade continues, I will move the stop to break even and then into profit. Right now, we do get that chance to move the stop loss to break even. We've locked in profit, and we are going to make money on this trade no matter what happens. This trade worked out, and I want to now go to the 5-minute time frame and just see, would we have been stopped out if we managed it on this 5-minute time frame? Now on this 5-minute, it looks like we would have been stopped out here, and I would have been stopped out right in here. So there are two places where I would have been stopped out, preventing me from getting to the target. But because I know that the market moves this way based on what I've seen this market do before, moving to the next higher time frame gave me the allowance to manage the trade with a little bit of a looser stop loss, allowing for that target to get hit. You have to be aware of the environment that you are trading. You have to be aware of the market volatility, how the market is moving, and you want to adjust accordingly.